Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to enable GPU watch and what is GPU watch? So GPU watch is an option. If you enable that, you can see your GPU and CPU load on the screen. So let me quickly show you how to do that. Get into the settings. In the settings, we're gonna get into developer option. You must have developer option on, and in the developer option, we're gonna find GPU watch. So here we have a GPU watch. Gonna select GPU watch and we're gonna enable this. The second you're gonna enable this, you're gonna find these two graphs, and here is your CPU and the GPU usage showing into this window, and that's it.